So I'm wanting to come on here to document my pregnancy journey, how crazy it's been, all the good and everything in between, because being pregnant during this COVID pandemic has been insane. Trying to conceive is its own journey. It doesn't happen immediately for some people like myself. So when you find out after trying, it's an overwhelming amount of happiness and excitement and all the good things. And then having to go through COVID and everything that COVID comes with, and the vaccine mandates, and all this craziness. You know, your husband not being able to go to every single OB appointment to see the baby on screen and the ultrasounds. That's been super hard and sad. But I've been trying to really focus on the good. You know, we found out we're having a baby boy, and I'm over the moon excited, you know, building my registry, doing all those exciting things. So grateful for my friends who had coordinated my gender reveal, because I really didn't want one in the beginning, but they convinced me, and I'm so happy they did, because it was such a beautiful memory. If you are also pregnant during this craziness, let me know what has helped you, you know, get through it. What do you do on those like low times that you just kind of feel meh and sad and just kind of depressed about things? Let me know what you do. But you know, at the end of the day, you just really have to focus on the good, because come April 2022, I'm going to meet my best friend, my little baby, my love. So really excited for that.